just being here, you have the chance to make money on various online platforms, and as of right now, you are just minutes away from receiving your very first payment directly into your account. You want to be able to work from home? So I'm going to share a Google trick with you that will enable you to earn anywhere from $70 to $600 in a single day. Whatever their motives are, I'm sharing with you because I want to support all of you in finding any way to make money. All you need is a computer and access to the internet. Payments can be made in a number of ways, but in order to learn the secret Google trick and activate your first payment right away, you must watch the entire video. Hey, welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to get $750 for viewing the Google site. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. Enter shrinkme.io into google.com and it will display the page for ShrinkMe, the most reliable URL shortener network. So click that link to go to the real website where you can get about $300 in a minute. I'll just show you the website's proof of payment before we move on. There is no question that this website pays people every single minute. You could be one of those people who receives hundreds of real income every minute without any delays or missed payments at all. You have a variety of withdrawal options including bank transfer, PayPal, Payoneer, Bitcoin, and more. You can choose to check your preferred method of payment. So I'll now walk you through the 3 simple steps to begin earning money online. You must first create a free account. Next, you need to shorten the link and share it elsewhere on the internet. Third, if you have correctly configured the system, you can now begin generating passive income in as little as a few minutes. So you must complete all necessary steps. Otherwise, you risk failing to start making money, or worse yet, having that money remain in your account, which I don't want to happen. So please bear with me as I walk you through. All you have to do is follow the steps. Simply locate the register button in the top right corner of the page. So click it to begin registering for a new membership and you can create a free account there. You will immediately receive $1 as a sign-up bonus after registering. To cash out your earnings, you must make at least $5. They provide you with the most convenient cash out by paying out every day. No longer are weeks or even months of waiting required. I'll show you the payment rates by locating before continuing. As you can see, for every 1,000 clicks that people from Greenland click on your link, you will receive $25, while for every 1,000 clicks that people from the United States click on your link, you will receive $15. Now that you're aware of the variations in payment rates, you can expect to earn a different amount depending on where the people who are clicking are located. For this reason, I'll show you a unique Google trick to get lots of Greenland people to click on the link so you can get the maximum payout of $25. So how can we get a link? We need to go over on YouTube video and get a particular link. As soon as you copy the specific link from a specific YouTube video into this bar, the long URL link will be automatically shortened for you. Now that the link has been shortened, we can start sharing it elsewhere on the internet. So at this point, I'll share with you my top secret free traffic source so you can get lots of clicks on your link and earn lots of money each time someone does. So before that, I'll show you how to find the best YouTube videos because if you choose a poor video, you will lose out on the opportunity to earn a lot of money. Once we've found the best video, we'll return here and shorten the link. Once we've got the shorter link, we'll head over to Google and use a very clever trick to multiply your earnings and make a ton of money. So the most popular video I have come across so far on YouTube is one about losing weight. We are all aware that many people want to know how to lose weight, and perhaps some of you are one of them. So after searching for a weight loss video on YouTube, select this week under the word filter. Next, choose the best performing video this week because there are many recent well-liked videos that were updated or uploaded days or weeks ago. Now, you're going to find the video with the most views. Click on it and then copy the lengthy URL. We're going to go to shrinkme.io and paste the URL here on this tab. Once you've finished doing that, just click the button and they'll automatically generate a shortened URL link for you. So copy that link and we'll use it later. What particular YouTube videos do you believe actually receive hits or views? Let us know by leaving a comment below. The next step is to visit google.com and browse popular forums, particularly those for weight loss. Simply type in the keyword weight loss forums and then click on search. It will direct you to a variety of forums where you can share the links because the majority of people who are serious about losing weight look for and participate in forums and discussions to learn tips and develop healthy habits. And as soon as they click on the specific link, they will be our target audience. So you must sign up for a free account in the forum. Just enter your information such as your username and create an account. You can then repeat that process on other forums you have seen. So the more forums you participate in, the more links you can get clicked on. Now maybe you are wondering how you can focus on finding more people from Greenland, Ireland, and the United States, since they have the highest pay rate. It's easy. Just click or select the advanced search option when conducting a variety of searches on Google. So from there, you will see a list of regions. Simply select Greenland from the drop-down menu to access a large number of relevant individuals from that country. You can go and filter out Ireland and the US if there are ever only a few forums in Greenland. For the Google trick I had, it is all about this permalink system wherein basically you can permablast out any links that you want in 22 seconds with a permanent free traffic, and you have to get paid almost $400 every day. There will be no traffic and it will help in getting many people to click on your link. This software does all the labor-intensive work for you so you don't have to mess around on social media, join forums, or build audiences because you will earn commission every time someone clicks on your link. Nothing complicated because this software provides you with ongoing free traffic that will increase your daily earnings by $200 to $400. This is an alternative method for much simpler link dissemination. I really hope you watched the entire video because if you are still here and have been listening up until now, we're just a few minutes away from receiving your hundreds of dollars. If you missed anything, just replay the video because we have everything you need to know. So now that you know all of this, are you ready to use our simple Google trick and earn more? Well, comment down below so that we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, head on over to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you!